Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin, or BornHype, coming at you guys with a brand new video. Today we got a big unboxing. Pretty sure this is a lot of Breds. I don't know if there's any Yeezys in here. I did order a few. I opened this package already. Well, my dad opened this package already. So we'll go over this one first because I haven't shown you guys this yet. But this is from Supreme. Got a sticker pack. And then the Bandana Bogo tee. There it goes. Size medium and red. The other two of my bandanas actually got canceled, so but the rest should be coming in soon. And then all these boxes right here are Breds, and then that's my dirty laundry that I need to do. But I've been editing the last three Yeezys that dropped, the live cops. So stay tuned for that video. Should be dropping tomorrow, Christmas Eve. And then obviously I'm not gonna upload Christmas or anything. And then Thursday is the 26th, so we'll have Supreme TNF because I know it's TNF. So yeah, let's get into this massive unboxing. I'm just gonna go through literally all of them really quickly. I'm just gonna open them all, take them all out, and then we'll go over it from there. But my girlfriend just picked up my room and got all my laundry ready, and I'm about to make it dirty again, so let's do it. There's one. I also just bought 19 toys, if you guys saw that on Twitter. Like this Christmas toy that's selling for a good amount of money. So that's always good. I don't even know how many boxes are here, but there's a lot. I know I got a good amount of Breds, and I have 4 more pairs at my boy's house because somebody he knew wanted to size swap, so I told him just to toss me some slight money, and yeah. So I'm pretty sure we ended up getting 20 something total. I could have got more, but I was trying to, because I invested a lot into the black Yeezys, and then I still have shoes downstairs in my basement. If you guys remember the giant tower that used to be behind me, that's all in the basement. So a lot of my capital is currently in shoes, so I need to sell some stuff so I can start destroying releases like this. That's why I bought. Oh, this is from. Oh, okay. This isn't a Bred. Finally, a different shoe. I actually need to ship these, so. Oh yeah, but I bought those 19 toys, easy profit, and then after that, I'll probably end up selling everything right after Christmas, beginning in the new year, just to restart basically. Okay, so this is the carbon blue 700s. I ended up getting these under retail. Wow, these actually aren't that bad. I ended up getting these under retail and pre-sold them on StockX, and then got my label scanned. Shout out Shaw Solutions, Wash Cops, and Shaw. Of course, you guys always hook it up with the good deals and shit. I got these for $270 shipped from that group, and then of course we got multiples. So here's another pair. That's also where I found out the information for the toys today. So if you guys are not in a cook group, I do recommend them. They're very nice. Shaw and Wash Cops, they really do a lot in that group. Free slots and everything. They hit every week for Supreme for everybody. I'm actually pretty sure that box logo, the red one, they hit for me because I did not hit a red personally myself. So they always hook it up. There's some cool peoples. Here's 7.5 in those Yeezys as well. But yeah, make sure you guys check out their Twitter at Shaw Solutions, and wait for a restock, I guess. I don't really know when they restock. but they're definitely a good group to keep in mind. More Breds. Size 12. Okay. We're almost there. We're almost done. So many Breds. Damn, we're already 5 minutes into this video. Straight unboxings. I'm gonna have to bring all these boxes down after too. That's gonna suck. Alright, I need to move these over. There we go. Taking these boxes. Okay. Got five more Breds to unbox right now. I was gonna wait for all my Yeezy chills and or whatever they're called and like all that shit, but I know a lot of people already saw those from in-store and stuff, so I wasn't gonna waste your guys' time. Wait, what? I've never seen this. Oh, okay, it's just a little coupon. Here, if you guys want a coupon code for champs. There you go, you guys can use that. I don't need it. 15% off, and then 25% off $100 or more. Go ahead, I'm not going to use it. I finished all my Christmas shopping. This one's already kind of opened. More Breds. Jesus. You know, I love getting packages. It's like a mini Christmas all the time, but I hate boxing them back up. Because, like, you gotta open them to see what it is, and then you gotta box it all back up. Alright, this is the last pair. Thank God. Wish I still had my other ones here. We could have taken a sick flex pick, but I'll still take a cool thumbnail with my other Yeezys over there and all the Breds now. Stack everything up. What the hell? Oh my God. A size 15? I didn't even know I got a 15. How big? Jesus. This is a massive Bred. Hello? Hello? This thing's huge. Yeah, hello? You need Breds? Okay. Alright. So that's it for the massive unboxing of Breds. But I have been working on something that's coming into the works for you guys, because a lot of people hit me up on Instagram and Twitter and stuff, and I don't always see it all, and I'm sorry about that, but a lot of people have been asking me, not just bot questions, but to purchase stuff off me. So I'm going to be working on making a website. It's just going to be BornHype.com, because I already own the domain. I've owned it for years. We're going to be working on a Shopify website for you guys, so I'm going to post everything that I have in stock there. Obviously, I'm going to have fair prices, not like consignment prices or tax. It'll probably be like StockX Ask for prices there. And then if you guys would like, you guys can buy from me, and obviously it would get shipped directly to your house and all that through Shopify. And yeah, but that's really it for now. Got a good amount of Breds back here. Got the Yeezys over there. We got the Chills coming in. We got some more Bogos coming in. Let me know how you guys did this week and in December in general. December's been crazy. If anybody's selling Phantom, let me know, because I'm looking to buy it, and maybe PD as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for sticking around. Thank you guys for all the support recently. Make sure you guys have a great and happy holidays. Whatever you celebrate, it doesn't matter. Make sure you guys have a good time with your family and all. Stay safe out there, because I know there's a lot of crazy people around like New Year's and stuff. Make sure you're safe while you're driving and all that at night. And yeah, that's really been it. You guys know the drill. Drop a like down below. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications, join the Discord, check out Shaw Solutions and the other cook groups that are partnered with me, and Hermes Proxies, of course. Yeah, this has really been it. Breads were a cook. Hopefully we have some more cooks in 2020. And I probably won't upload other than the Supreme Live Cop on the 26th till the new year. Taking a little, like a week break just for, the holidays and everything. I'm going to be with my family. So, happy holidays, everybody. Thank you guys so much. This has been Gavin or BornHype, and I'm out, guys. Peace.